Okay, so everyone's always in my comments like, girl, how is your model that realistic? How is the lip sync so smooth? Is this free? Actually free? Why are all the tools we try either paid or have 10-second limits? I get it. Same struggle. But today, I'm gonna spill all the tea and teach you exactly how I create those hyper-realistic, talking avatars, and yes, bestie, without spending a single dollar. Not even one. But listen up, watch this video completely before you say, this isn't free, or you lied. 'Cause nah, I literally show tips, tricks, and hacks in the video, and some of y'all just skip to the end and then blame me. So, let's agree. Watch it all, try it, then comment. Deal? Cool, let's go. Today we're using 4 tools. And trust me, I use these in literally every tutorial. They're my ride or die. And once you understand how these work, you won't have to scroll YouTube every week hunting for free AI tools for avatars anymore. Here's the lineup. ChatGPT, for generating that perfect image prompt. Leonardo AI, to create your Ultra HD model image. DupDub, for free realistic voiceovers. Yes, with emotions. Heygen AI, for talking avatar lip sync magic. Okay, let's be real. If you type some basic prompt like 24-year-old girl sitting in a studio, you're not getting your dream avatar. You need to think like a casting director. So first, close your eyes and imagine, what kind of vibe do you want your model to give? Glam, bossy, soft girl aesthetic, or maybe baddie energy? You gotta choose hair color and style, eye color, skin tone, face shape, lips, nose, makeup, body glow, all the lil things matter. Once you're clear, head to ChatGPT and give it all the deets. Like this. Hey ChatGPT, I want to create an AI model. Can you give me a detailed prompt based on this? Jet black, long wavy hair, oval face, big blue eyes, perfect nose, full lips, bold makeup, glowing fair skin with a natural tan, crop top silk blouse. She should be facing the camera, looking straight like a news anchor. Background should be a cozy aesthetic studio setup. Boom! GPT will give you a professional level prompt that's 100x better than anything random. If something's off, just say, GPT, fix her makeup. Or, can you make her lips more natural? And it'll correct it in seconds. Now copy that fire prompt and open up Leonardo AI. Go to image generation, paste the prompt, and here's how to set it up. Use the off-flux diffusion. Alias model. Turn auto prompt off. Pick your preferred style preset. Choose the tall due 16:29 aspect ratio. If you're making YouTube videos, then click Generate. In just a few seconds, Leonardo gives you 4 stunning image options. If you like any of them, download it. If not, you can tweak stuff right there with Edit with AI, like change her hair color, outfit, pose, or even background. And boom, you now have your dreamy model. No Photoshop required. Before our AI girl starts talking, she needs a voice that actually matches her personality. Smooth, clear, and full of vibes. For that, we're going to DupDub.ai. Log in to DupDub.ai. If it's your first time, just sign up. It's super quick and free to start. Go to Text-to-Speech. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a big text box waiting for your script. Paste your script. Use the exact lines your avatar will speak. Keep it natural and conversational so it doesn't sound like a robot. Pick the perfect AI voice. DupDub has a huge library. Male, female, deep, soft, cheerful, even emotional tones like sad or excited. Spend a minute listening to a few samples and pick one that feels right for your character.
Now close your eyes. Take a deep breath and imagine that you are standing in front of a clear blue lake and the skies are clear.
Generate and review. Click Generate, then hit play to listen.
She didn't even drink tea that much. She just liked how each cup seemed to hold a... Lila had a habit of buying random mugs from thrift stores. She didn't even drink tea that much. She just liked how each cup seemed to hold a little history.
If something feels off, like pacing, pitch, or emotion, just tweak settings or pick another voice. Save your voice file. Once you love how it sounds, download it as an audio file. This is the voice we'll feed into Heygen in the next step to bring your avatar to life. And that's it for DupDub. We've got a professional quality voiceover ready to roll. Let's bring her to life. Heygen magic. Now that she's found her voice, it's time to actually make her talk. For that, we're switching to Heygen AI, the tool that will animate our still image into a fully talking avatar. Open Heygen AI. You can sign up free. Yes, even with a temp email if you're just testing. Upload your model image. This is the character you designed earlier. The face, the vibe, the whole look. Upload your DupDub voice file. Remember that audio we saved? Drag and drop it here so Heygen can sync it to your avatar's lips perfectly. Generate your talking avatar. Click Generate and let Heygen do its thing. In just a few seconds, your still image transforms into a cinematic talking avatar. Smooth lip sync, natural head movement, and 0 awkward pauses. Preview and download. Watch it once to make sure the sync feels right, then download it for your video project. Wait, in the intro, her avatar had hand movements, but here it's just lip sync? Exactly, bestie. I always use HOT's lip sync plus hand movement for the video hook to make it look super realistic and engaging. Then, for the full tutorial part, I switched to a simpler version, just lip sync. So let me show you how you can also create those cool hand movement avatar intros. Step 1. Go to Heygen's homepage. Step 2. Click on Photo to Video with Avatar 4. It's their new feature. Step 3. Upload your model's image, then write your script. Or, upload a 15-second voice clip. Step 4. In the movement prompt box, type something like, add hand movement like she is explaining something. Step 5. Hit Generate, and ta-da! Watch your avatar come to life with both lip sync and hand gestures. Perfect for grabbing attention in the first few seconds. Wait, did you say free? Yup. All this, and I didn't even open my wallet once. Want to know how? We're using temp mail tricks, smart credits, and the best free plans that exist right now. So here's how to do it. Step by step how to use temp mail for Leonardo AI and Heygen. No account? No problem. For Leonardo AI, open a new tab and go to tempmail.org or tempmail, copy the random email they give you. Now go to @leonardo.ai and click Sign up, paste the temp mail and create a password. No need for your real email. Leonardo will send a verification code. Go back to your temp mail tab and you'll see it. The code? And boom, you're in! You get free credits instantly to generate high-quality images. If you ever run out of credits, just repeat this trick with a fresh temp mail and make a new account. For Heygen, again, open tempmail.org and copy a new temp email. Go to heygen.com and click Get Started Free. Paste your temp email. Choose a password sign up. Verify using the code from your temp mailbox. Sometimes Heygen gives limited credits, but here's the hack. You can create up to 3 videos of 3 minutes each with one free account. And honestly, that's more than enough for me, because my videos are usually under 9 minutes anyway. If you need more, just open a new free account. Temp mail style. Your AI baddie is ready, and just like that, you've got your very own, hyper-realistic, free talking AI avatar with lip sync, HD visuals, and a voice that slaps. Drop a comment if you made yours. And tag me if you post it anywhere. Link to all tools is in the description. You're welcome. Now go create your dream digital twin and make her go viral. Let's go!